I honestly didn't know what title to give this video, but I believe the information that I'm going to share with you on this video is going to be very, very valuable. So yeah, make sure you watch it to the end, and I hope that you can take some value out of this video. Hey guys, welcome back to this channel. If you're new here, my name is Sarah, and on this channel I share my knowledge on trading and investing in cryptocurrency. I also talk about personal development and so much more. If you're interested in any of these things, then make sure you hit that subscribe button. So, have you ever wondered why Bitcoin is so high up in price? Well, it has to do with the fact that Bitcoin has a very limited amount of supply and a large market cap. Now, before you invest in any cryptocurrency, you want to always do your own research. Never ever just buy a coin just because someone told you to buy it. Before you buy a coin, you want to do your own research. One of the things that you want to research is the number of supply that cryptocurrency has in total, and also you want to research what the market cap of that cryptocurrency currently is. All of this information, you can actually find it on CoinGecko and CoinMarketCap. Now, I'm going to show you exactly why this information are so important. With this information, you're going to be able to know which coins are good to invest in for short term and which coins are good to invest in for long term. If you go on coinmarketcap.com and you take a look at the top 10 cryptocurrency, you're going to notice something very, very interesting. The dollar value of this top 10 cryptocurrency does not correlate with the ranking. A good example would be XRP. XRP right now is currently 97 cents. However, it is among the top 10. If you compare the price of XRP to the price of, say, Polkadot, Polkadot has a higher dollar value compared to XRP. So why isn't Polkadot above XRP? This all has to do with market cap. The market cap size is actually how CoinMarketCap ranks cryptocurrency on the site. So these coins here, they've actually been ranked not based on their dollar value, but based on their market cap. If you look at this list and you look at the market cap, you'll see that now it makes sense. It makes sense that XRP is above Polkadot because XRP market cap is currently 45 million, while Polkadot's market cap is currently at only 35 million. So this is why XRP is above Polkadot. So what is market cap? Market cap is basically the dollar value that is in a cryptocurrency, and you can determine a market cap of a cryptocurrency by simply multiplying the current spot price of the crypto times the circulating supply. This is the circulating supply right here. So you just multiply that by the current price, you get the market cap. Now, there's another interesting thing. XRP, even though it has a very high market cap, the price of XRP is very, very low, right? Now, you would think, okay, if a coin has a lot of market cap, it means that there's a lot of money flowing into it. So why isn't the price of that coin high? This brings me to my next point, which is supply. Now, the amount of supply a cryptocurrency has is going to determine how high that cryptocurrency is going to go. And I'll show you what I mean. If you look at Bitcoin, currently Bitcoin has a limited supply. There can only ever be 21 million Bitcoin mined. That's the total supply of Bitcoin. If you look at XRP, you'll see here that XRP has a total supply of 99 billion. That is a lot, okay? That is a lot of supply. Now, when a cryptocurrency has a lot of supply, like this, even if there's a lot of money flowing into that cryptocurrency, is going to make it very, very difficult for the price of that cryptocurrency to increase in price because it just has so many supply. You have to understand supply and demand. If there's a lot of supply for something and there's not that many demand for it, the price of that thing is going to be very cheap, and vice versa. If the supply is very low and the demand is very high, then it's going to increase the price of that thing. So this is one of the reasons why XRP, even though it has a lot of money flow into it, even though it has a large market cap, the price is still very low, and this is because it has a very, very, very high supply. So how can knowing this information help you to know which coins to buy for short term and long term? Basically, you have to remember this: coins that have a large market cap, they tend to be less riskier to invest in because it's not as easy for that coin to get manipulated by the market. However, coins that have low market cap are more risky to invest in because it's very easy for these coins to get manipulated by the market. So when you're investing in cryptocurrency, you want to always have two different portfolios. The first portfolio would be a long-term investment, and the other portfolio would be for short-term investment. And how you can know which coins to invest in for long-term and short-term is basically by looking at the market cap. Usually it's safer to invest in the top 10 cryptocurrency on CoinMarketCap. They have a large market cap, which means that a lot of people have put their money into this coin and they really believe in this coin. The short-term portfolio, you want to invest in coins that have low market cap because it can be very risky to invest in this coin. However, investing in low cap coins actually can provide a higher return on investment, and this is because these coins that have low market cap, they have a very high potential to grow compared to the coins that already have a high market cap, which means that it's going to be very, very hard for these large cap coins to actually grow by so much. It's going to require more time for this large cap coins to grow. So that's why you want to have a large portion of your investment into the large cap coins and then a small portion of your investment into the medium cap coin. You can make more money by investing in the medium cap coins. However, the same way that you can make that much money in that small cap coin, you can also lose it up. But with the large cap coin, you're less likely to lose your money. You know, your money is going to always either stay the same or go down by a little or go up by a little. But it's safer to invest in those type of coins. Now, the thing that I've noticed is that I always hear about all these people who make killer gains on investing in low cap coins like meme coins. I always hear people that have made like millions of dollars by buying these coins, and I noticed something. These people who made millions of dollars with these coins, they didn't make it just like that. It wasn't just like that. They made this money because they got into it very early. If you want to make like a large amount of money with a cryptocurrency, you need to buy into it when it is very, very early, because at that stage the market cap of that coin is very low. So once a lot of money starts to get put into this cryptocurrency, it's going to cause that cryptocurrency to go up in price. However, you also need to keep an eye on the supply. If a coin has a lot of supply, okay, it has a lot of supply and it has already gone up in price by so much, and the market cap has already gone up by a lot, that coin is not good to put your money into it. Don't think just because it has gone up by so much, it has gone up by a lot, that it's good to put your money in right now, and you think by putting your money in there you're going to start making money. You're expecting for that coin to start going up and you think you're going to make money like that. No, that is an easy way to lose your money. Never ever put your money in a coin when it has already skyrocketed. Wait for the coin to either dip, or if it's a coin like a meme coin, it has already gone up by that much, consider that you've missed the opportunity for that coin and just wait for the next coin that's going to come up that you can invest in early. So yeah, always get into cryptocurrency very early. If you want to make killer gains, get into them very early and know the amount of supply a coin has, know the market cap. You know, the large market cap coins are good to invest in for long term, and the low market cap are good to invest in for short term. As always remember to only invest money that you can afford to lose, as cryptocurrency is risky. Even if it has a large market cap or not, it's still a risky investment because you never know what can happen, right? You always want to put in money that you can afford to lose. Don't be like this person here. Don't be like them. Okay guys, I hope this video was helpful for you. If you found this video helpful, make sure you give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel if you're not yet subscribed. Thank you for watching, and I hope you have an amazing day.